something? How are you both so happy? Doesn't it weigh on you that the world might be ending? Can I tell our secret? Come here. Come here. We're very, very stupid. But still, you're not a teensy bit concerned about, I don't know, say, imminent death? Yeah. I'm gonna go find Peaches. Hey guys, over here. Come on, it's a shortcut. You're gonna love it.
Oh, girl, this is fun. Wow, this is so cool. It's like we're upside down. That is amazing. Too bad
Babani.
friend isn't here, huh?
You're not really friends with him, are you?
Yeah, come clean, Peaches. Are you friends with that awkward little rodent or not? I mean, Bruce and I, we hung out or whatever. But no, we're not really friends.
Not friends.
Who is? Busted.
Good to know.
Who is Wade? Even runs away like a loser.
Whoa, Peaches. No stress. You're with us now.
Yeah, stress is so stressful. Yeah, girl. If you're gonna stress about something, stress about your head. Guys, we should get out of here.
Are you kidding? This is epic!
Go!
How sick was that? Yo, that was insane! Hey, Peach, listen up. Have some fun.
Fun? You call that fun? I'm out of here. Come on. I mean, do you really want to go back to hanging with a weird freak and give all of this up?
I mean, it's bad enough that your families have
Dog.
awesome.
Bad enough? There's nothing bad about being part of my family. I like hanging by my tail. And if you geniuses are normal, the species is going to end up extinct. Yeah? Well, your species is going to be extinct first.
Burn! We're the same species, genius.
What?
Double burn!